What keeps you motivated?
Iniisip ko lang po yung aking pamilya and yung goal ko po kasi I'm a goal-driven person po. Ilang beses na akong natatalo sa mga pageant pero hindi po ako sumusuko.
My family, of course, and God, and especially since passion ko ang pagpa-pageant, ayun po talaga yung nagpapamotivate sa akin.
Family and mga friends and mga supporters ko na talaga nagtitiwala sa akin.
Nagmo-motivate po sa akin na yung aking advokasya po. Advokasya ay patungkol po sa HIV awareness po.
Kapag stress ka, how do you release it?
Siguro po hindi na lang po pag-iisip ng pag-negative, na gano'n, nagpa-practice po ako, sa under ko po, ganyan. Hindi naman po siguro masama magtanong.
Positive lang, positive mindset.
Kung ano po yung nakikita pagkukunan sa sarili ko.
So I'm using it as a motivation for everyday life, like to improve myself, to discover more, para makalis po ako sa my comfort zone.
Nabe-pressure, hindi naman pumawala yun. And talagang tinitibayan ko lang yung loob ko, tapos nagtitiwala lang ako lagi kay God. And pinagpipray ko lang lagi na maging okay lahat at magawa ko na maayos.
Mas tinitingnan ko na lang po yung brighter side, yung magiging future. Kasi hindi naman po tayo aabante kung magpo-focus lang tayo sa mga nagiging problema natin. So we have to keep going. And by the way, I'm an advocate of mental health awareness. So to the young people out there, so if you're going through with mental health illness, you know what, you have to speak up because there's always someone who is willing to listen to you.
If ever I'm stressed, the only thing that I do is I go to gym and I talk to my family. I go out with my friends and I meditate sometimes alone in my room.
So speaking of gym, what is your fitness secret?
My fitness secret is about discipline.
Discipline.
Stay disciplined.
Disiplina po sa sarili po, yun po talaga. And kumain lang po talaga ng mga healthy foods po.
Healthy living po, mga fruits, mga vegetables.
Maging consistent lang.
I believe consistency because not everyone can be consistent. But as long as you are disciplined to do things, you will be able to reach your goals. For instance, this physique. And it's a matter about the knowledge that you apply when working out. It's not just about, I want to work out. You need to know why you will work out and how you will do it.
What for you is the real meaning of Mr. Laguna International?
Para po sa mga kabataan na kagaya ko, gusto po hikayatin na ilabas ko na yung mga self-confidence po nila. Hindi lang po sa aming mga candidate, alam ko po na marami pong kabataan na deserve din po sumali sa ganitong patimpala.
Whose essence of being a man is not only of its good looks and masculinity, but also a man who knows its responsibility in Laguna and promotes an advocacy.
Ang Mr. International Laguna ay talagang pinaghahandaan at dito malalaman ng mga talento ng bawat lungsod na meron sa loob ng Laguna.
Dito mo makikita yung mga kagaya kong mga lalaki na pinapakita yung talento, husay sa pageant. Para sa akin, hindi lang pagiging gwapo, pagiging matalino ang Mr. International.
For me, it's not about the crown. It's about on how you can handle the responsibilities of being crowned.
It would be an amazing opportunity for me to represent Laguna in the national stage since this is only the highest tier of my pageant journey. So I'm excited for this event.
We are here to embody a good citizen, of course, to be a role model to our young generation, to give us hope, to give them hope, and of course, to see themselves in us that we are here to do something for our society.